Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is D Square and today we will make a 3D model. I got a message from FB and there is a person. They are getting some difficulties in their drawing. So today we will solve that all the difficulties and we will make a 3D model. Okay, so here you can see the I have a three drawing and today we will make this old drawing and convert into a 3D model. So these all are the drafting here. So first I am making this one. So here you can see my maximum OD is 0.64 and the total height is 0.24. So I am starting here and just I am converting the unit, that is to inch here. Okay, so in right plane select and draw a circle and give the diameter. So my maximum diameter is 0.64. Okay, now actually it's 0.64. Okay, done. Okay, so the simple extrude and my extrude length is 0.24 inch. Okay, now select. Okay, now done. Now we will make the this id part. So here you can see my id diameter is here is radius is given here, that is 0.28. So first we will make here select and sketch normal and make one diameter, that is we have the radius 0.28 to multiply by 2, so we can get here the diameter. Okay, now we have the diameter. So now we will make another thing. Here you can see the id pillars, that is the thickness is 0.04 inch and here you can get the distance center from the starting point is 0.15 inch. Okay, so in here you can get a center rectangle. Draw a rectangle and the thickness is 0.04 and the distance from here to here, that is 0.15. Okay, right, and just trim other part that we don't want. Now in drawing you can see we have a total number of 6 pillar. So we just make here a circular path sketch and here we will select this is my reference and this rectangle. Now we want total number of 6, so here 6 and just click right here. Okay, now just simple we just cut extrude cut and but what is the depth, to here you can see the depth is zero point 0.2 from the both side. So select this one and give the depth is zero point 0.2. Okay, now just we created the first model here. So this is my first model. If you want to save you can save. Okay, so now just new one, second model. Okay, so this is my second model, that is a gap here. So first we will make here the center line here. You can see my total height is 1.12 and this drawing is also in inch here. First I will make a center line. So right plane click and select here for construction, draw a center line, and okay, delete. Okay, so my okay, and one more thing, convert this one into inch. Okay, now click here, edit this one, and my length is 1.1. Okay, so this is my length. Now here you can see one more thing is here. You can see we have here a lots of diameter here. Okay, so first diameter is you can see that is 0.33 this diameter, and in the below part of the object it's shown as a dotted line. Here you can see these are the below part here. This part is, so this is the below of the top view. So this all are shown is a dotted line here. So first diameter is that is 0.33, and here you can see the length of this one is from bottom to up, that is 0.85. So we will make this one simple. Draw a line and give the dimension. Select this endpoint and the center line and drag and give the dimension 0.33. Okay, now one more line, and here we have the dimension. So the dimension is 0.85. Okay, now okay, fine. So we have the one more diameter. Here you can see, here you can see this diameter, that is 0.79. This diameter is touch with this circle. Okay, so we will make that, and what is the depth of this one? So here you can see the depth is this is my 0.79 diameter circle, and the depth or I can say height from the bottom to up, that is 0.64, right? So I make this one, draw a horizontal line, select end point and the center line. You can get a diameter. So my diameter is 0.79. Okay, done. And what is my height? So my height is actually okay. Draw one more line. Now fine. So this one and this one. My height is 0.65 from the bottom, right? Actually it's 0.64, not 0.65. Okay, 64. Now fine. Okay, done. We just make two diameter and their length. Now we are making this profile, right? So for that this profile, we have one distance that is 0.01, or in here we have also the diameter of this one, that is 0.99. Here you can see the 0.99, it's on the this point. So here we are using this one, point 1 here. So just draw a line, horizontal line, and give the dimension, that is point 1 or point 1. Now fine. And here you have a degree here, you can see, and the degree is 115. And okay, so first we will make a degree line. that is 1150 or 115.00, and the depth, or I can say length, from bottom to up, that is 0.95. Here you can see. So from this point I make a line, and we will create a degree here, that is 115.0. Okay, now we make a simple degree. Now the height, that is 0.95. Okay, right. Now here you can see zero point zero 0.07, that is the offset. So we will make also one offset, that is zero point zero 0.07. So go to here offset and add value zero point zero 0.07 and select this line. Okay, click right here. Now one more thing, just draw one horizontal line and extend this one. Okay, once more draw one more horizontal line, and we are extending this one. Okay, fine, just trim the whole things remain. Okay, fine, just drag this one. Now we created this the degree. Okay, so this distance automatically come here, so we don't need to make this one. So now we have to make this id hole here. You can see we have the two dimensions remaining, that is first is 0.55, and second is 0.40. So 0.55 means if you double this dimension, so it is a 0.55. So this dimension become automatically. So we can see here the my remaining hole diameter is here you can see 0.40, and this is my hole diameter. So I need to make for this one is 0.40, and the height from bottom to up, that is 0.64. So let's make this one. Simply draw a line, horizontal line, and the diameter is 0.40. Okay, and the height is 0.64. Actually, okay, we just make one more mistake, that is height is 0.75. Okay, so right here 0.75 here. Okay, now just simply join this one. Okay, now fine, and the trim. Okay, just select center line and make as original. Okay, so just go to feature and revolve boss. Here you need to choose the which surface do you want to revolve, or which region. So I am choosing this one, and here we just need to select the center of rotation. So center line. Okay, fine. Here we have created our second model. Here you can see the dimension, that is 0.55. Right here you can see dimension 0.55. Okay, fine. So this is my second model. Now we are move forward for third model. So just control N and enter. Now we will make last one, that is this is my model. Here you can see this model is also made from the revolve tool, because this is a round. So here you can see my here. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, fine. Here you can see my maximum diameter here, 0.8. Here you can see this is my maximum diameter, that is zero point 0.8, and this is my length from bottom to top, that is 4 inch, right? So this drawing is also in inch, so just convert inch. Now in right plane I'm sketching here, and line for construction. Okay, line for construction, draw a line, make this one vertical, give the dimension that is 4 inch. Okay, now fine, and my diameter, that is zero point 0.8. Actually diameter I need to write down, so click this one and this one. Okay, now fine, that is diameter is zero point 0.8. Here you can see my outer diameter is zero point 0.8. Now we will make one more diameter. First we will make a radius. Here you can see radius is 0.15. So okay, first we will make a close here. Now fine. Now here you can see fillet, and we just need to write down the value of fillet. Just clear, and the value of fillet, that is 0.15, and you can click here. Now this is my 0.15 fillet is applied here. Okay, now fine. Also we have here, you can see one more diameter is zero point 0.5. So this is my fillet starting point, I can say. Here you can see the zero point 0.5 is automatic generated. If I drag this one, this is my radius. Okay, so now we just need to make one more diameter. Here you can see 0.36, and this arrow shows this dimension here, 0.36, and this is my length from this face to this face, that is 0.66. So we first make here a line, that is actually not this point, first this point, length is 0.66, and my diameter is 0.36. 0.36. Now fine. Just close this one. Okay, fine. Now just trim. Okay, fine. So what we just need to do? Make this line is okay. Now we are using a revolve command for this one. Click here, revolve boss. Now we just need to select a center line. So this is my center line. Okay, now fine. So we have to do one more thing, that is here you can see one diameter, that is 0.72, right? And this is my ID diameter. So we will make this portion with the use of the cell command. So how we can do? So this is my maximum diameter and this is my id. So just here go to cell, and here you just need to write down zero point 0.8 minus 0.72. Now enter. Here you can see I got, this is my diameter, I got the radius, so by 2. So this is my radius and select this face. Click right here. Here you can see we have one diameter, that is 0.72. We created this one is 0.72, and make this one in a wireframe, right? Here you can see one diameter is also generated here, that is this one, that is 0.28, right? So we have also one diameter that is 0.28. Now we have remaining diameter is 0.26, so we will just make 0.26. Just delete this one, select this face and sketch here, make here normal and circle, and make this diameter is 0.26. Enter. Now just feature and extrude cut, so just we can drag. Okay, now we have the final diameter also. Now we make this part also. If you make wireframe here, you will get both part is same here. Okay, so the one more question is why I use the cell command, why I don't use the offset command on the revolving process. So if I right click and select this one, so this is my revolve sketch, right? So if I can use offset here, and that is zero point 0.8 minus 0.72, here 0.08 divide by 2. So if I choose this one, this radius, this one and this one, so here you can get there is no any distance is remaining here. If you click right here, you get only one distance, 2 8, right? So here you, if you make this feature, so here you can get only this diameter 0.28, but we need one more diameter, that is 0.26. So this is the reason why I use the cell command for making this id part, right? Okay, so just control Z here. Now exit from sketch, drag. So this is the how we can make a part with the use of drafting. So thank you for watching, thank you all. If you are new this channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.